Now this one is chic. Dia tak ada K kat belakang. Jangan confuse kalau dia jadi ni. Ini baru chic, anak ayam. Kalau tak ada, chic.
Oh.
Chic.
Chic.
Dia K coach.
Dia K, dia ada K tapi dia bukan ch tau. Dia sh. Chic.
Chic.
Oh.
Shin lah, huruf shin lah ni.
Huruf shin.
Chic.
Chic. Next time kita buat buku bunyi yang macam ni. Chic. Okay.
Chic. Okay.
Sebab lagi tepat. Kan? Alright. Number 2, psychic. Chickpea. Siapa suka makan hummus tahulah chickpea tu apa.
Tahu.
Makan nasi Arab. Hummus.
Hummus saya tahu tapi chickpea tu tak tahu. Chickpea tu hummus ke?
Kacang kuda. Kacang kuda untuk buat chickpea. Untuk buat hummus. Ada kacang nama dia chickpea. Alright. Okay. So, Atika. Please read.
I like your
The words.
Okay. She, psychic, chickpea.
Very good. Fuza?
Psychic, chickpea.
Okay. Fuza, sentence number 1.
I like your new haircut. It's very chic.
So what does it mean? It's very chic.
Maksudnya Syada, cool.
Yes. Nanti kita tengok. Okay. Maksudnya positif ya. Alright.
Positive.
Okay, number 2. Salah Tika.
I don't have to be psychic to know what you are thinking.
Oh, psychic kan? Kalau dah kenal lama, tahulah. Alright. So kita tengok sini dulu. Depan. Okay, together. Read it out loud.
Someone died eating chickpea dip.
It was ruled
a homicide.
Okay. Kan tadi dah kata chickpea dip ni, yang kita nak cicah-cicah ni. Dip kan benda yang kita boleh colek kan?
Colek.
Yes. So chickpea memang digunakan untuk buat hummus. Okay, so someone died eating chickpea dip. It was ruled a homicide. Dia bunyi dia sama dengan
Homicide.
Yes. Homicide. Adik-beradik dengan Suicide. Adik-beradik lagi. Genocide. Apa lagi? Yang bunuh serangga?
Pesticide.
Yes. Dulu-dulu zaman jahiliah bunuh baby.
Ada
Zaman Firaun.
infanticide.
So now you know side maksudnya apa?
Kill.
Yes. To kill. To end someone's life. Pesticide. What do you kill?
Serangga.
Serangga perosak. Okay. Homicide. Apa yang mati? Apa yang dibunuh?
Manusia. Human.
Sebab Homo sapien kan, spesies manusia. Bunuh manusia. Suicide, bunuh apa? Suicide. Many people committed suicide during this time of lockdown.
Diri.
Yes,
Self.
self. Sui bahasa Latin untuk self. Bunuh diri. Genocide. Geno ni jin, maksudnya genus, kumpulan, kaum, bangsa. So bunuh apa?
Bunuh kaum bangsa lah, beramai-ramai. Pembunuhan beramai-ramai.
Kashmir, Uyghur, Bosnia Herzegovina, Rohingya. Kan? Bunuh beramai-ramai. Di situ. Kalau infanticide tadi, bunuh?
Baby, infant.
So now, by knowing a root suffix penambahan ni, dan dia kemudian bahasa Inggeris datang daripada bahasa Latin, dia pinjam. So gabung dan you start to, that makes sense. Side. Kita tahu.
Coach, how to say it in English? Bila kita cakap fun ni macam memang kelakar lah. Macam how to the expression in English?
It's funny. It tickles me.
Okay.
Good. That's the idea of fun. And it's not easy to create fun. And it takes a good sense of humor to understand fun. Dia tak boleh lurus tau. So ada yang kata memahami jokes in English adalah kemahiran bahasa yang kelima selepas you can listen, you can speak, you can write, you can read. Number 5, you can understand jokes. Right. Not many people can
Coach
understand.
punya pun dalam ni coach yang buat lah.
No. Yang kita orang buat tak masukkan dalam buku ni. Itu yang crazy just playing along. Alright. But this one no, we get it. Corpus, cari pun. Contoh kan, you want to do, nak buat birthday wish to someone. Okay, nak tulis surat ke apa ke, nak bagi hadiah. Nanti I share tau, once I send a box full of things dalam tu to my family members. Ada kacang, ada gajus, ada lilin, ada coklat, ada benda. Jadi I buat satu surat dan menggunakan pun dengan benda-benda tu semua. Bukan semua kita fikir direct, kadang kita boleh type je. Contoh, I nak cari pun cashew. Cashew kan gajus. So, apa pun yang boleh buat? Ini bonus ni I share with you. Okay. Alright. So, you just go to Google. Contoh, cashew puns. Nanti dia keluarlah apa-apa yang sesuai yang kita nak. Tengoklah. I'm a cashew, macam I'm gonna catch you. This is a casual gift. Casual. Semua ni ada dekat sini. Okay. Alright. I bought a package of trail mix. Trail mix selection of kacang-kacang. And it only had cashews, almonds, pistachios. That's just nuts. Okay, bila orang kata memang lah kan.
Memang betul-betul.
Yeah. Alright.
Macam tu seronok pula.
Yes. So benda-benda ni lah. So type lah banana pun, chocolate pun, coffee pun. Kan kita nak hantar wish kat kawan kita, nak share kat WhatsApp ke apa. So it's a interesting ni skill. Good. Okay. So settle. Okay, chic tadi. Chic. I want you to put this in your vocab. Sebab dia macam stylish lah bahasa ni. I like this word. Okay. Walaupun dia tak high frequency ke apa, masukkan in your vocab list. So, chic is an adjective to describe something. And the meaning is, Azatika, please read the definition.
Very fashionable and expensive and showing good judgment of what is attractive and good style.
Like Fuza kata cool kan? Dia elegant, dia sophisticated. And then dia good judgment, dia taklah macam gaudy, bling-bling sangat, over. Dia macam kan? So, hairstyle, handbag. Or Margaret was looking very chic in blue. Just stylish lah. Okay. But you can also use for a place. A chic
restaurant.
A fashionable restaurant. Some place kan macam hipster lah, nice to hang out there. Attractive. Ada sense of style. Macam tu, okay? So ni semualah all the chic. She is chic and witty. A chic apartment. So you can be chic as you get slim. Nice Chic. Masukkan in your vocab. Nak puji apa-apa compliment, gunakan chic.